Greeting, this is Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at how we can print a document from Microsoft Sphere. Yes, very important here. So first thing we want to do is to bring up the Microsoft Edge right here. So as it come up just like this, we're going to go right here to the look at that right here. We're going to click on it. And here you go. And this is Surface Sphere. So you're going to click on that. Right, this is one of the stuff that Microsoft actually give you. If you notice, all of these are sphere, which are a template. So what I want to do, I'm going to create a new blank sphere right here. Notice it show that it actually creating, right? And right here, it show that I can actually put a title right here. I can actually come right here and click a design just the same. And right here for story. But if you come right over here, show that I can actually play the sphere. Here I can actually share it and all of that. And when you click on this, you look at that, you notice you can actually create, you can duplicate the sphere, you can actually save as template. You can actually print it, you can export. Notice you actually have set it. But in order for me to print it, the first thing I want to do is import the document, right? Which insert it, I'm going to come right here. I'm going to click. But if you notice right here, so I can insert animal, background, food, and all that. But here from my device, I'm going to click from my device, right? So I'm going to click on this database right here. And then I'm going to come right here. And notice right here, show that it actually uploading, so I can come right here and actually close this window, right? And just waiting on it. If you want to get rid of this, you can come all the way right here and actually close it. But I'm actually waiting on it to process. So as soon as it processes and it comes, we're going to show exactly how. Because if you notice, it's actually converted to Microsoft Sphere. So what if you want to get rid of one of it? You can click like that. If you notice right here, it's the emphasis, right? Accent, bullet, you can add number, you can come right here. You can actually click to get rid of that. Click and come down just like that. There you go. If you want to play it, you can actually come like that. You notice that what you will see right here. So each time that you click, this is what you will see. And all of that, so very important. This is what Microsoft Sphere is like. But you want to print this particular document. So you're going to come right where you see, look at that right here. And notice this is Surface print. You're going to click on the print. If you notice right here, so we are creating a PDF file to optimize for printing, right? And definitely, you notice it actually bring up printing window right here. So right over here, show a total sheet, right? And notice it show a PDF. You can click right here. You can actually select the name of the printer that you want. For instance, this is the printer. You select it right there. The number of copy, you can actually come right here and select the number of copy. Just the same right here. You can actually put whatever landscape or portrait. If you notice it, document presently on portrait. And if I come right here, so now I click on landscape. You notice the document change. We'll go back again and click on portrait. It actually change. Right? And notice I will go find the scroll bar. You can actually scroll up. Right here, notice the alt page. And notice the add page only, even page only. All right. Here's an example. So for instance, you want 1, 5, and 6. You can put a 1. You put a comma. I can put a 5. And that I can put like say full 45. So that is the example where you can actually set the definite page. That's the really one. Right here. If you come right here, so you notice it's a color, you can click and choose black and white. Right? If you notice here in color, if I come right here and I click on black and white, you notice it actually change. If I go back over here and I click on color, right here, let me go click and click on color. Notice it change. Very important. And if you notice right here, show cancel, and right here, show your print. Very important. Right here. So if you have learned something from this particular video, just remember to share it to your friend. And remember, just write a comments on all this video help you.